Well, done with the actual floor. Got to shoot the base in. Then I'm done. Put the furniture back. Fireplace. Ended up with 2 boxes and like 3 pieces left. So that's pretty good. We'll take those 2 back to the store. About 35, 40 bucks a box. So give me a little change in my pocket, or actually a store credit, because this was an exclusive. They don't have it in the store, so they'll more than likely want to give me a store credit. I'll do a video later about the specifications, how long it took me, all the breakdowns, and stuff like that.